You said when we started, the Bitcoin price was 10,000. Now it's 80,000. You said we'll buy at 500, a million. Where is Bitcoin price when strategy and Michael Saylor's job is done?
First of all, my job will be done when I can't do it anymore and I will gracefully retire and move on. But strategy is a corporation with an infinite life expectancy. You know, the next generation of leadership is the CEO Fong Lee and Andrew Kang and CJ, and they're much younger than me, and they'll be going for 10, 20, 30 years after I am, and then they'll pass the torch to someone else. You know, Lloyd's of London has been around for hundreds of years. You know, and so I don't know why the company can't continue for hundreds of years. Its job will always be done, and its job will be to create the credit from the capital, you know, in order to create an on-ramp, a low volatility, highly liquid on-ramp for people to create their digital money, digital currency, digital yield, and all the other derivative products. It's a mission, and you know, why wouldn't you just keep doing it as long as the civilization needs the money fixed?
Where do you think the Bitcoin price would be trading today if Michael Saylor, our savior, never had his aha moment and didn't dedicate his life to buy as much Bitcoin as possible?
I don't know the exact number. My view is Bitcoin would have been successful without me and and without our company. And if we hadn't done it, someone else would have stepped into that role. But, you know, presumably somewhere between 10,000 and 80,000. It wouldn't be as high as it is right now. We've spent $62 billion to support the network, and we spent a lot of time advocating it. I don't know, halfway between. Maybe it'd be 40 or 50,000 instead of 80,000. It's hard to know, but generally it'd be a little bit lower than it is right now. But on the other hand, the other theory, the counterfactual, is maybe somebody else would have become the strategy. And if we left a vacuum, they would have done everything that we did. And so that's always possible. The beauty of a decentralized network is there's always a vacuum to be filled, and there's millions of companies, and everyone has the ability to plug into that network and add value to it wherever they see a vacuum or a niche. So, maybe there'd be someone else that would have done it better than us, and Bitcoin would be higher, and maybe no one would have done it and it would have not grown as fast, but it's probably somewhere in between that.
You mentioned STRC. The world is going crazy about this STRC instrument that you invented last year. Explain Stretch, STRC, to my mom, who is 65 years old, is retired, and has accumulated 500,000 US dollar after a lifetime of hard work.
Sure. STRC is a preferred stock. It's targeted to trade around $100, between $99 and $100. It's senior to the common stock, so it has liquidation preferences. And the companies, it is a preferred stock with about $8.5 billion outstanding and an enterprise that has $85 billion of enterprise value. So you could think of the senior 10% of the enterprise is Stretch. And the mission of Stretch is to pay a monthly dividend such that it trades around 100. And so right now that variable monthly rate is 11.5%. We pay that each month. It was like 95 cents or something, 90 something cents last month. It's a return of capital dividend. And what that means is that when you receive the dividend, you reduce your basis in the investment by the amount of the dividend. So if we pay you $10 in dividends on a $100 share, you reduce your basis to $90, but you pay no tax. And then the next year you reduce it to $80 and you pay no tax. And after 10 years of $10 a year, you would reduce it to $0. At that point, it would become a qualified dividend distribution. So you would start paying long-term capital gains tax on it. But the way to think of it is it's tax-deferred fixed income. And the company uses all of its resources to strip the volatility to make it trade pretty close to $100. If it trades below $99, we'll raise the dividend, or we'll raise capital, or we'll do something to get it back to 100. And when it trades at $100, we sell that security in order to raise capital. So we wouldn't sell it at 99 cents, $99.99. We won't sell it. But at $100.01, we sell it to the market in order to allow other people to access it without overpaying. We never want someone to pay more than $100.01 for it. And, you could think of it as it's like a digital money market like instrument. It's not a pure money market. It's a little bit riskier. It's a little bit more volatile than a money market, but it is a stable instrument, and it's designed to generate 3 times, the performance of a money market for people that believe in digital assets. And it's the most tax efficient credit instrument that you can buy, because if you buy bonds, you pay ordinary income. Yeah, you have to pay 40%, 50% tax on a corporate bond. If you bought a bank preferred stock, it's qualified dividend distribution. You'd pay long-term capital gains tax at the federal and the state level. But with Stretch, you get these 2 big advantages for generational wealth. One advantage is when you buy a $100 share, you get $100 of dividends tax deferred, and you can reinvest them and it compounds. And then if you pass the share to your heir, if you give it to your daughter or you give it to your son in your will, they get a step up in the basis to $100, and they collect another $100 worth of dividends tax deferred. So your family might very well collect dividends for 20 years, all tax deferred, which you can reinvest. And you can't do that with a bond, and you can't do that with a normal preferred stock. And so it's a very interesting way to preserve wealth if you don't want to see your principal fluctuate, you don't like volatility, and you aren't really pleased with the bank providing you a 0 or a money market where you get like 2% after tax.
Do you know someone still stuck waiting on banks? Put them on KAST. You both get up to $250 cash. Store, move, and spend stablecoins globally without using bank friction. KAST. Keep it stable. Check the link in the description to learn more.